Hey guys, want to do a quick review of this camcorder slash camera. It's a 4K camcorder. If you're starting doing movies or even YouTube stuff or like homemade movies, you know, it's inexpensive. Buy on Amazon, so you don't have to blow a fortune for a decent camcorder. It's 4K. It has night vision shooting. It has Wi-Fi, which is actually a pretty big plus for inexpensive cameras. Beauty mode, you know, a bunch of other modes. High megapixel resolution if you want. Here's a little spec shot if you want to pause and just check out if this is something that will work for you. It lists all the operating systems it works with and so on. And let me show you quickly what it comes in. It does come with a pouch. It does come actually with this cool microphone. So that's a plus if you're not trying to do higher quality videos and so on. Hood, lens protector for sun and so on. Manuals. Comes with 2 batteries. Comes with a charger, HDMI cable as well. Comes with this holder thing, which I'll show you guys in a second. Even comes with a remote, which will let you use the phone, you know, playing videos if you connect to your TV, as well as the recording. And comes with a little storage pouch here. And then this is the camcorder. Simple operation. We're gonna pop this off because we're gonna connect the microphone. I'll show you guys the setup. Holding strap, you can adjust that. Battery goes in here. Memory card goes in here. It did not come with a memory card. I did have to supply my own. So SD card. So remember that. You pop up the battery right here, and they're pretty decent sized batteries, so that will last some recording time. If you open it, it will automatically go on. Pop up the lens. Here's the lens. So you have the zoom and so on. It's great for outdoors. You know, indoor filming might be a little a dark mode will be actually nice, but indoor filming probably won't be as high quality as outdoors. It is all touch screen, so you can actually go here and, you know, review what you had. You can change the volume of what you're playing. That was the night mode shot I did. Just some practice videos. I'll post them right after this this video, so you can see how the sound was in recording of the actual camera. But that's that. You have a menu here. No, I don't want to delete this. So I think I need to escape here. Now we can hit the menu. And then you have all the different features and so on that you can scroll through. Adjust this for the quality you want and so on. Settings, that's where you turn on the Wi-Fi and so on. Languages, and yeah, pretty straightforward. Nothing like there's also a menu button here that you can access it the same way. If you do USB connection, mic and HD right here. That comes with the cable for the HDMI, so that's cool. Power down if you want to turn it off manually. Here's your power down button. And that's it, guys. I'll show you guys quick clips of how this functions. So now we can attach all the extra features. Show you guys how it looks fully set up. Throw the mic on. So the mic you are gonna have to connect like that. And then this tripod thing, I want to show you, this is the coolest part. And you can still connect this to the tripod. It still has thread on the screw here as well. And now you can hold it like this when you're filming for better balance and so on. You can rotate actually the screen all the way the other way as well, which is pretty cool. And it does flip for you. So yeah, looks like a professional camera setup to me. But you cannot close it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this is helpful for you. Stay tuned for the clips on how the recordings went, and you'll be the judge if this is something that could work for you. But for the budget camera, this is great. Thank you. A little test of the video. Right now I have the microphone plugged in and maxed out. And now I'm going to unplug it. And this is the microphone now unplugged. Note that the microphone is in front of me, I'm behind it. When I had it plugged in, like right now. Zoom. Pretty good. A little aerial view. And this is just the normal recording setting.